how to change a video quality and audio or subtitle language on Crunchyroll. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in this video we will see how we can change audio or subtitle language and quality on Crunchyroll. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, head over to crunchyroll.com. Make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you're signed in, now you can start playing any episodes that you want on Crunchyroll. After that, once the video is playing, navigate to the settings icon on the right hand side on the video tab. Once you click on settings, you will see this pop-up menu box. So to change the quality, head over to quality, click on its option. From here you have various options that you can choose from. You could set it to highest, moderate in data saver, which will uses the least amount of data. So select your preferred quality from here. You could go back. Now to change the subtitles, you have to click on this subtitles option. Then you have to change it to the available subtitles. So in this case, the subtitles that is available is English only. So you can choose one from here. If it is available with other options, you could choose other options as well. You could also head over to audio, and here you also have two options. You could either change it to Japanese or to English, so you could also select one from here. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.